Hi, my name is Victor and I create videos on how to make money online. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how you can make money from this website just by performing simple tasks. When I say simple tasks, I meant it because you not actually need to do a lot before you can be able to earn. Okay? The name of the site is called Sproutgigs. All you need to do is to go into a search engine and type sproutgigs.com and you'll be taken here. This is how the site works. This site is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks. Just like I said before, you not have to do a lot before you can be able to make money here. There are micro jobs in which you can perform here to earn you money. Okay? So if you are new here, all you need to do is to click on get started, or you can click on the sign up button here. Okay? So let's click on it and see. Click on sign up and then you create an account with them. How do you create an account? You enter your email address to create your password. Then you have to select your country and then select your profile type. I advise you select I'm a worker. Don't select I'm an employer. Select I'm a worker. And then you have to agree on the terms and conditions and click on what? Sign up. But since I already have an account with them, I'm going to click on login. So if you click on it, I'm going to be taken into the main site where I'll have to work and earn. Before I forget, please, if you are yet to subscribe into my channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification button so that when I drop a similar video, you get an alert. Okay? Alright, back to business. There are a lot of things in which you can do on this website in order for you to earn money. I'm going to walk you through right now. If you move down, you can see a lot of things that people are doing that is fetching them money. Look at what this person says. I will compose 6,000 words search engine optimization friendly, high quality one, and the price is set at what? $6. And the guy has been making money because he has a lot of reviews, 15 reviews so far. That means this person has been making money from this site. Look at the second one. I will write one SEO friendly article and the price is set at what? $1. This person has a lot of review also, 101 reviews. That means he has made money. Look at the third guy. I will create a video up to 10 minutes and the price is set at $4.73. So people have been making a lot from this site and I want you to do same. Okay? Look at what people are doing. Look at them. Look at their gigs and look at their price. So there are a whole lot to do here and I want you to be part of it. Okay? I want you to be part of it. So those of you that have hard skills, congratulations, because this is an opportunity for you to earn from your skills. Okay? All you need to do is to come and post your gig. So this site works like Upwork and Fiverr. Just that this one has an advantage over them because this one is yet to be saturated. Okay? So if you post any gig, definitely you are going to be contacted because the number of freelancers here are less than the number of those who are looking for those who get their work done. So this is an opportunity for you. So if you want to do anything on this site, first of all, you have to click on category to see where you fall into. We have a lot of categories here. We have architecture, convert files, digital marketing, digital writing, financial and business consulting, graphic design, and so on and so forth. So if you are a graphic designer, all you need to do is to click on graphic design and then click on apply. So when you do that, your gig will be posted. And if somebody is in need of such service, the person will contact you. And if you do the job successfully, you'll be paid. So that's how it works. But make sure that the words or the statement you use for your gigs, should be able to convince them that you can actually do the job. Okay, so that's how it is. But those of you that don't have hard skills, no bad feelings, because there is also a room for you to make money from these sites. Okay, so I don't want you to feel bad. There are a lot of things that you can do here, whether you have skills or not, and I'm going to walk you through. Okay, all you need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end, and you are going to get values from this tutorial. So if you want to perform micro jobs on these sites, this is where you click this three line. Let me show you. All you need to do is to come and click here, these three lines here. So if you click on it, you scroll down. If you scroll down, you will see find jobs. Okay, so the jobs that you're going to find here are micro jobs, and they are very simple to do. So you click on it, and then you scroll down to see what people are actually doing. Now look at the micro tags. Look at the tags in which people are performing. Now the first one is what? Comment on a video. And the price is set at what? $1. This simply means that if you are able to comment on this video, you are going to earn $1. This very task was posted 2 days ago, and 20 people has actually done the task. They actually wanted 32 people to perform the task, but 20 has been done. You can see it here. Okay, and it is international. That means you are not excluded. Everybody is included. So if you do this, you are going to earn $1. Look at the second one. You watch video for 10 seconds to earn $2. Look at the third one. You promote content to earn what? This is what you're going to earn. 0.050 cents. So that's how it is. You understand? If you want to choose a category, you click on category. So these are several things in which you can do. Sign up, search engine optimization, plus promote content, plus search, plus engage. Okay, you have data entry, collection and extraction, Telegram, Discord, TikTok, video marketing, and so on. These are the various tasks in which you can perform on these sites. Assuming that you want to do Facebook micro influencer, all you need to do is to click on it. Then you click on what? On apply. You understand? If you click on apply, you can see that it's only one job that is available. You understand? So if you scroll down, you can actually see what you can do. This is the job that is available. Facebook micro influencer. So if you follow, you like and share, you're going to have 0.1 cents. So that's how it works. So if you are able to perform several tasks on this website in a day, definitely you're going to earn a whole lot of money. So this is an opportunity for you. So I'm going to drop a link on the description box for you to sign up. Okay, please and please sign up immediately and start earning from this site. Thank you very much.